Welcome back to my KOINE Greek study guide. It's full of my charts and methods that I use to memorize the Greek language. Let's get right into it. This is week 2, or the second part of it. It includes syllables, the rules for syllables, accents, and then I give you the chart pointing out the different punctuation used in KOINE Greek as compared to English. And then I give you the definite article in Greek. As you know, as there are masculine, feminine, and neuter definite articles in Greek. And I give you those charts as well. And then I finish up with about 20 more vocabulary words. We're going to start by naming the last syllable in the Greek words, which is the ultima. The one before the last syllable, or the second to last syllable, is called the penult. And the one before that, say that's the third to the last, is called the antepenult. In the word cosmos, kos would be the penult, or the second to last syllable, and mos would be the ultima, or the last syllable. In the word prophetes, pra would be the antepenult, phe would be the penult, and tes would be the ultima. In the word adelphos, a would be the antepenult, del would be the penult, and phos would be the ultima. Okay, here are 3 basic rules for KOINE Greek syllables. 1 vowel or diphthong per syllable. Number 2, 2 consonants in a row are divided except when second consonant is a new or a consonant pair. Number 3, 2 vowels or 2 diphthongs or a vowel and a diphthong in a row are split unless the vowel is part of a diphthong. There are 3 accents in KOINE Greek. The acute, which looks like a line pointing up, as in the word lego, which basically means that the pitch is rising. Then there's a grave, which looks like a line pointing down, as in the word adelphos, which has a falling pitch. And then third, there's the circumflex, as in the word atus, which is rising and then falling pitch. In KOINE Greek punctuation, we have the period, similar to what we have in English, as in the word logos, period. We have the comma, similar to the English comma, as in the word logos with the comma. Then we have the colon, not to be confused with the double colon, as in the example here, logos with the colon. Next, we have the question mark. For the Greek, it's a semicolon. Would be logos semicolon, if you wanted a question mark after the word logos. Contractions in English are similar to contractions in Greek. We use an apostrophe in English to remove letters, same with Greek. You can see that in dia2, the alpha has been removed, and then when you join words in Greek, use an apostrophe when you remove vowels and join the word together, as in kago, which used to be k in ego. Now diaeresis, we don't have that in English, but it's basically just 2 dots above the vowel when you want to pronounce the vowel separately, as in muouses. There's one basic rule for the Greek article, and it's that it must match noun in gender, number, and case. There is not an indefinite article in KOINE Greek. The masculine Greek article is ha, and it's pronounced that way because it has a rough breathing mark over the omicron. Then the neuter article is ta, and the feminine would be he. And again, it has a rough breathing mark over the eta, so it's pronounced he. Masculine example would be ha chronos, meaning the time, ta etos, meaning the year, and the feminine example would be he hemera, meaning the day. Now here's the chart for the masculine definite article, which reveals the case and the number. Ha, tu, to, ton, hoi, ton, tois, tus. Now here's the neuter article chart, and it shows the case and the number. Ta, tu, to, ta. Te, ton, tois, ta. Now here's the feminine article chart, which again shows the case and the number of the article. He, tes, te, tain. A, ton, tes, tas. Now here's the vocabulary for units 3 and 4. Allah, which is but and yet. Apostolos, which is apostle, messenger. Blepo, I see. Gar, for, then. Gnosko, I know, learn. Jesus, which is Jesus. Ano, which is I take, receive. Luo, which is I loose, destroy. Oranos, which is heaven. Pistuo, which is I believe. And unit 4 vocabulary. Agapio, which is I love. Grapho, which is I write. De, which is but, not. Doulos, slave, servant. Horisko, I find. Hieron, temple. Laos, people. Nomos, law or commandment. Oikos, house. Hois, as, that, how, and about.